So suppose this is the cell cycle. Then the first phase that we have studied in the last class, that is the G1 phase, and we have discussed that the G1 phase, that is the longest phase, and after G1 phase there will be our S phase, then after S phase there will be our G2, then this is your M phase. So this part we have completed. Then we have to come to this part, that is your S phase. So if you see S phase that stands for what? S phase stands for synthetic phase. And synthetic phase, why that is called a synthetic phase? What kind of things will be synthesized here? Here the DNA will synthesize. The DNA will synthesize. As you know that in the G1 phase there is presence of our DNA, and that DNA occur in the monad condition. In the G1 phase the DNA occurring in the monad condition. Monad condition means only double stranded DNA with a single DNA present. This is the single DNA, and that single DNA with histone protein, that is called as your chromatin. So chromatin that occur in single structure, this is single structure chromatin. But in the S phase what will happen? From this DNA there will be formation of another copy of DNA. From this DNA there will be formation of another copy of DNA. So this is the old DNA, suppose. This is another new DNA. This is another new DNA. So the process by which the DNA will make another copy of its own kind or another copy of DNA, that process is called as replication. Okay. So what is the replication? We know that the replication is the process of formation of DNA from the DNA. So from the DNA there will be formation of another copy of DNA, so that the chromatin that become double structured chromatin. Now this will convert it into our double structured chromatin. So this is one chromatin, this is another chromatin. So this is double structured chromatin. Okay. So this double structured chromatin will form. When this will form, that will form in the S phase. And in the S phase, why that is formed? Because in the S phase there will be occurrence of your DNA synthesis, or the replication process will occurring here. So S phase re kana hoja, S phase re there will be formation of DNA. So in the S phase there will be formation of DNA, so that the DNA duplication occurring here. So this condition that is called as your monad. This condition के कहूतला मैं काम लिख रही, this is called as monad. But this condition where there will be presence of two double stranded DNA is present here. Two double stranded DNA is present here. So that this is called as what? This is called as dyad. This is called as dyad. Whereas when there is presence of single structure chromatin, or only one DNA will present in the chromatin, then that is called as your monad. But here in this S phase the monad is converted into what? That is converting into your dyad. Okay. Then in the cytoplasm what is occurring? This is occurring inside the nucleus. Suppose this is the cell. Suppose this is the cell. Inside the cell there is presence of our nucleus, and in that nucleus there will be formation of this double structured chromosome or chromatin. Okay. But outside the nucleus there is presence of cytoplasm, and in that cytoplasm there is presence of centriole. As you know that there is presence of centriole, or that is having centrosome, and the centrosome kaha ke कहूँ, এটা হলো আমার centriole गुटे, and this is another centriole. Then पढ़िथिला centriole that is cylindrical structure. Centriole होचे हमर cylindrical structure. दुईटा cylindrical structure present इसी and ई cylindrical structure माने कहा के नहीं बनिथिसन. These are made up of what? These are made up of protein. This cylindrical structure are made up of protein, and that proteins are our tubulin proteins, and here these are microtubules. These are made up of our microtubules. So these microtubules, amount of microtubule get increased in this phase, so that from the this is another centriole. So this two centriole, that is called as your diplosome. When the two centriole are considering here, this is called as diplosome. दुईटा centriole के कहूँ हमें काबल लिखे diplosome, and diplosome around रे किसी cytoplasm present इसी. Around the diplosome then cytoplasm area present अच्छे से area के total से area को कहूँ हमें काइनोप्लाज्म बोली के कहूँ. diplosome रो around रे हमारे काना present अच्छे, there is presence of our cytoplasm, and this cytoplasmic area, this cytoplasmic area around this two centriole or that diplosome, that is called as kainoplasm. Okay, and a diplosome with kainoplasm, diplosome with kainoplasm, that is called as centrosome. That is called as centrosome, and this centrosome only found in case of your plant cell. So this is the centrosome. This is the centrosome, and this centrosome made up of what? That is made up of two centriole with some amount of cytoplasm. Okay, so the centrosome will duplicate here. Centrosome रा amount काना होचे duplication होचे, तो centrosome will duplicate here. Centrosome रा duplication होचे means protein रा amount, microtubule रा amount increase करूचे, so that another centrosome will form here. गोटे सेंट्रोजोम रु आ गोटे सेंट्रोजोम फॉर्मेशन होउछ. That centrosome having the two centriole, so there will be formation or the duplication of the centriole. This is one centriole, this is another, this is another centriole, and this is another centriole. So previously there is presence of two centriole, but after or in this S phase there will be formation of four centriole, and each two centriole will make one centrosome. So this is one centrosome, this is another centrosome. So gute centrosome ro a gute centrosome ro formation hoche ken phase re? In the phase that is the synthetic phase. Okay, so this is another things that is taking place in this cytoplasm. So this is in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm रे हमर काना होचे centriole रो duplication होचे, but in the nucleus, there will be synthesis of the DNA. Nucleus रे synthesis होचे DNA रो, but cytoplasm रे काना होचे हमर centrosome रो duplication होचे. As well as G1 phase हमर काना हितिला, in the G1 phase there is formation of your amino acid for the histone protein. G1 phase रे histone protein रो लगी जेन amino acids माने दरकार सेटा formation नहीं हितिला, but histone protein रो formation नहीं हिते G1 phase रे. So in the S phase रे काना होचे, there will be formation of histone protein. Formation of histone protein. Histone proteins रो formation होचे in the phase of your S phase रे. But G1 phase रे हमर काना हितिला, G1 phase रे amino acids मानकर formation हितिला. Amino acids मानकर formation हितिला. Amino acids for histone protein. Amino acid for histone protein, that is formed in the G1 phase, but in the S phase that amino acid will join to form our histone protein. Histone protein रो formation होचे S phase रे, but तार लगी जेन amino acid माने दरकार सेटा formation नहीं दिला हमर G1 phase रे. So what are synthesized here? In the S phase there will be synthesis of DNA, there will be synthesis of this centrosome, or there will be duplication of the centrosome, as well as there will be formation of histone protein in this phase. In the phase of your S, there will be so many things. There is basically three things that is synthesized here. One is your DNA is synthesized here, centrosome is synthesized here, and the histone protein is synthesized here. So that this is also called as your synthetic phase or S phase. Okay, so in the S phase, the DNA amount double here. Suppose this is the DNA. The DNA amount double here. DNA थिला हमर न केते गुटे, but इन DNA आसे गेला जुड़े. But this is one chromosome. इटा के गुटे chromosome बोलु छु. And this is also one chromosome. Chromosome number जतकी थिला सतकी fixed अच्छे. Only कड़ा change हिचे amount of DNA get changed here. DNA रा amount change हिचे. DNA रा amount गुटे थिला one थिला गुटे chromatin रे गुटे DNA थिला and गुटे DNA डुप्लिकेट हेकरी DNA रा अमाउंट डबल हे गला बट क्रोमोसोम नंबर सेम थिला काना कहूचे देखो देखो एस फेज रे हमर जीवन फेज रे हमर थिला DNA टा केते थिला वन DNA, वन नंबर ऑफ DNA इन वन क्रोमोसोम. गुटे क्रोमोसोम रे गुटे DNA प्रेजेंट थिला इन द G1 फेज रे. बट आफ्टर S फेज और इन द S फेज गुटे DNA रो डबल DNA फॉर्मेशन हे गला. ओके, तो ना क्रोमोसोम केतेटा अछि ता गुटे सिंगल क्रोमोसोम अछि बट इनो इटा हला गुटे DNA इटा हला गुटे DNA तो इनो हमर DNA नंबर का हे गला डबल हे गला एंड क्रोमोसोम नंबर सेम. दिस इज सिंगल क्रोमोसोम. द क्रोमोसोम नंबर स्टिल 1. क्रोमोसोम नंबर रो किछि चेंजेस ना हेबार इन द S फेज. DNA अमाउंट डुप्लिकेट हियर. डुप्लिकेट माने कड़ा आ गुटे कॉपी फॉर्मेशन हे गला डबल हे गला. सो DNA अमाउंट कड़ा हे गला इंक्रीज करूचे. केते इंक्रीज करूचे DNA टा 1 रु 2 निक आसी जाउचे बट क्रोमोसोम नंबर स्टिल सेम अच्छे. क्रोमोसोम नंबर स्टिल सेम. ओके, तो क्रोमोसोम नंबर टा काना करी गला समान अच्छे बट ओनली हमर DNA रा अमाउंट टा काना करी गला इंक्रीज करी गला. DNA रा अमाउंट टा खाली इंक्रीज करूचे इन द S फेज. सो इन क्रोमोसोम गुटे थिला एंड दिस इज वन क्रोमोसोम सॉरी दिस इज वन क्रोमाटिड एंड दिस इज अनदर क्रोमाटिड. क्रोमाटिड खाली डबल हे गला और DNA डबल हे गला बट क्रोमोसोम नंबर इज स्टिल सेम दैट इज 1 एंड इन भी थिला हमर गुटे सिंगल क्रोमोसोम. So chromosome number that is not changed here in the S phase. Okay, only the DNA thila gute but in ase gala DNA ase gala duita. So this is the change. जदि हम गोटे सेल के देखु छु गोटे सेल रे हमर रहला न्यूक्लियस रहला. सपोज दिस इज न्यूक्लियस में बड़ कटी बनो छै सेटा. तो न्यूक्लियस रे हमर काना थिला सपोज दिस इज वन chromosome. This is another partner of the chromosome. This is another chromosome and this is another homologous partner of this chromosome. Okay, देखो इन अच्छा हमर इटा हमर S फेज रहला. इटा हला हमर S फेज रे बट G1 फेज रे जते बेले इता के जदि स्टडी करथुता G1 फेज रे केंदा थिता इन द G1 फेज in the nucleus there will be presence of monad. This is one chromosome, this is another chromosome and this is another chromosome and this is another chromosome. तो इटा हमर केन कंडीशन रे थिला मोनाड कंडीशन रे थिला बट इना आसी गेला हमर केन कंडीशन रे डायड कंडीशन रे आसी गेला. ओके एतकी चेंजेस होइछे देख इन क्रोमोजोम केते रे थिला क्रोमोजोम 1 2 3 4 इन क्रोमोजोम थिला केते क्रोमोजोम थिला इन 4 इन द G1 फेज रे क्रोमोजोम थिला 4 एंड डीएनए थिला केते डीएनए भी थिला हमर 4 ओके DNA and chromosome both are same in this G1 phase. So this is chromosome 1, this is chromosome 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Okay, so 4 number of chromosome that is present in the G1 phase. But when we see the S phase, in the S phase there is presence of how many chromosome? There is presence of this one is the one chromosome, this is another chromosome, this red one is another chromosome, and this one is another chromosome. So how many chromosome in the G1 S phase? Also there is the chromosome number is 4. The chromosome that is 4, that means the chromosome number still same. But when we see the DNA, this is DNA 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8. So DNA amount that become double and that become 8. So DNA amount double here, but the chromosome number that is fixed. The chromosome number in the S phase, in the G1 phase, that is your 4, and the chromosome number in the S phase, that is 4. The chromosome number that not change here. So let me write this information here. In the S phase, the chromosome number लिखा है ना. So DNA amount duplicate here लिखी and chromosome number that is still same. The chromosome number that will not change. Okay, so this is your S phase, and in the S phase these are the process that is taking place. Then let's come to the G2 phase. In the G2 phase, what will happen? G2 phase, or this is also called as gap phase 2, or this may also call it second growth phase. Second growth phase, as well as this is also called as post synthetic phase. This is also called as post synthetic phase. If you see the cell cycle, so this is our G2 phase, this is S, this is G1, this is M. So after S phase, and this is after S phase, so that this is called as what? This is called as post synthetic phase, and this is occurring after the synthetic phase, after the synthesis of so many compounds, just like your molecules, or there will be replication of DNA, there will be the replication of your centriole, there will be replication of your or formation of your proteins. Histone protein is synthesized here, so that this is the post synthetic phase after S phase. Okay, so what are the changes that is taking place here? The nucleus size get increased, the nucleus size get increased. Why nucleus size will get increased here? Because in the S phase रे हमर काना हला DNA रो synthesis हला, and DNA केनो synthesis हला, the DNA that get synthesized in the nucleus. जेतो DNA रे amount of DNA, sorry, nucleus रे, as the amount of DNA get increased in the DNA, sorry, as the amount of DNA get increased in the nucleus, so that the size of the nucleus get increase here जेहेतु DNA रो amount टा increase करी गला सेतिल लागी हमर काना होचे there will be increase in the size of the nucleus as well as that DNA will make RNA in this step also there will be formation of RNA from this DNA as well as there will be formation of protein. So here also there will be synthesis of some amount of protein. Protein is also synthesized here. So as the protein is synthesized here, protein will synthesize in the cytoplasm. Protein will synthesize in the cytoplasm and the nucleus size get increased due to this DNA amount get increased in the S phase. जेहेतु S phase रे DNA amount टा increase करी गला so that nucleus size टा हमर काना करी गला इनो nucleus size टा हमर इनो increase करी गला. Okay, and most of the cell organelles also duplicate here. Most of the cell organelles like your mitochondria, chloroplast, the mitochondria, chloroplast, etc. that are increased here. Cytoplasm रे न्यूक्लियस रे साइज तो इंक्रीज कला तार संगे संगे साइटोप्लाज्म रे हमर डिफरेंट सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स मनकर भी नंबर काना करी गला इंक्रीज करी गला. ओके, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया अमाउंट इंक्रीज करी गला, क्लोरोप्लास्ट रे अमाउंट इंक्रीज करी गला एज वेल एज ई फेज रे हमर काना हो जे देयर विल बी सिंथेसिस ऑफ ट्यूबुलिन प्रोटीन्स. Synthesis of tubulin proteins. Tubulin protein रा काम करना it will make the spindle fiber. काम करना spindle fiber रा जितला mitotic phase start करवा में कर देखमा spindle fiber formation करवा के formation करवा spindle fiber tubulin protein formation करवा. Okay, and the tubulin protein रा synthesis केन phase रे होचे the tubulin protein will synthesize in this G2 phase. So G2 phase रे एतकी जिनिस होचे काना काना होचे G2 phase रे न्यूक्लियस साइज तक इंक्रीज करे जाउछे डीएनए रो अमाउंट जेहेतु डबल हे गला सो दैट न्यूक्लियस साइज टा इंक्रीज करे गला डीएनए नो आरएनए फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज ट्रांसक्रिप्शन प्रोसेस अबाइना as well as there will be protein will synthesize here in the cytoplasm so that the cell size will also get increased here. Most of the cell organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast, okay, or other cell organelles just like your ribosome will get increased here जेहेतु protein synthesis हमारा अच्छे मतलब ribosome amount will get increased here. Okay, or micro bodies just like your peroxisome will get increased here. So different cell organelles that are increasing here in this phase, that is your growth phase 2 or G2 phase or gap phase 2. So after completion of this gap phase 2, then there will be occurrence of the mitotic phase or the mitosis. तापरे हमर काना हबा माइटोसिस हबा G2 phase complete हला ପରେ then there will be occurrence of mitosis. So let's see the mitosis. माइटोसिस जो हमारा सेल डिवाइडिंग फेज as the mitosis is cell dividing phase means this is called as cell division. Cell division जेतले देखु जो दुईटा टाइप रो छे one is your mitosis and another is your meiosis बोली करी कहू छु. तो ई पार्ट रे हम डिस्कस करू छु mitosis बाबत रे. Then mitosis complete सरला पर then will comes to the meiosis part. So cell division जेतेबेला mitotic cell division होचे mitotic cell division के otherwise कहा जो छे equational cell division. This is also called as what? Equational. This is equational cell division, or this is also called as duplication division. Also called as duplication division. और सोमाटिक डिवीजन सब गोटे गोटे अलग अलग मीनिंग अच्छे इक्वेशनल डिवीजन कहाँ जे कहूँ व्हाई दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इक्वेशनल जिते बेले माइटोसिस हवा व्हेन द माइटोसिस विल अकर suppose this is one cell, suppose this is diploid cell, this is the diploid cell, and when this diploid cell undergoes mitosis, diploid cell means what? There will be presence of two sets of chromosomes means the chromosome will occurring in pair condition, chromosome टा pair condition रे थिबा जदि आम ह्यूमन सेल देखला देन देयर विल बी प्रेजेंस ऑफ 46 क्रोमोसोम और 23 पेयर्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम थिबा बेले सेटा हो हमर डिप्लॉयड सेल तो डिप्लॉयड सेल जते बेले माइटोसिस करबा तो इनो जन दुईटा सेल फॉर्मेशन होला इन दिस mitosis the cell which will be formed here that cell will be also having 2n number of chromosome that means there will be presence of 46 here also there will be presence of 46 or 23 pairs okay as the chromosome number of these daughter cells these two are called as what these two are called as daughter cell okay as the chromosome number of this daughter cell that is same inothila 46 इन भी है 46 एंड इन भी है 46 ओके सो डॉटर सेल रो क्रोमोसोम नंबर जदि देखुछु एंड मदर सेल रो क्रोमोसोम जदि हमें देखुछु दैट आर सेम दिस इज मदर सेल दिस इज द मदर सेल एंड द डॉटर सेल बोथ हैव सेम सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम सेम अमाउंट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम so that this is called as what equational division okay or the second one that is the duplication division why that is called as duplication division because there will be formation of duplicate copy of the mother cell रे 46 क्रोमोसोम थिला डॉटर सेल रे भी 46 क्रोमोसोम थिला इनो जेन डीएनए प्रेजेंट थिला इनो भी सेम डीएनए प्रेजेंट अछि इनो भी सेम डीएनए प्रेजेंट अछि ओके सो मदर सेल संगे पूरा डुप्लीकेट मदर सेल रो पूरा डुप्लीकेट कॉपी फॉर्मेशन हैला ओके सो द डॉटर सेल इज द डुप्लीकेट और कार्बन कॉपी बोली के जेंडा कहू और कार्बन कॉपी ऑफ मदर सेल सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डुप्लीकेशन डिवीजन ओके सो ई प्रोसेस रे माइटोटिक डिवीजन रे then daughter cell man formation of they will be similar as to their mother cell and why that is called as equational division let me write here because the chromosome number of daughter cell and mother cell are same okay then another term is given to this mitotic phase that is the somatic division why that is called as somatic division means vegetative somatic ro meaning hoche amar kana vegetative means this is involved in vegetative growth of the individual or somatic growth of the individual okay there is two growth or there is occurrence of not growth there is two type of division one is your somatic division another is your sexual division in that sexual division what will happen there will be formation of your gametes or that is called as your gametic division but this is the somatic division as this is somatic division here there will be increase in the body size रे increase करबा this will not involve in the reproduction process vegetative growth means this type of division that is not involved in reproduction. रिप्रोडक्शन रे जेन टाइप रो डिवीजन इन्वॉल्व रोचे से डिवीजन होचे हमर काना रिप्रोडक्शन रे हमर जेन डिवीजन इन्वॉल्व रहिसी से डिवीजन होचे हमर मियोटिक डिवीजन और मियोसिस. Okay, we will discuss later about this meiosis. But normal गोटे इंडिविजुअल रो ग्रोथ हबार अच्छे, गोटे इंडिविजुअल रो ग्रोथ हबार अच्छे, गोटे एरिया रे गोटे प्लांट के जैसे देखला गोटे प्लांट फॉर्मेशन हैला एंड से प्लांट रो ग्रोथ होउची, से प्लांट रो साइज इंक्रीज करूची, से प्लांट रो साइज इंक्रीज करूचे. काजे साइज इंक्रीज करूचे बिकॉज सेनोजेन सेल माने प्रेजेंट अछन, दे आर परफॉर्मिंग व्हिच टाइप ऑफ सेल डिवीजन, दे आर परफॉर्मिंग द माइटोटिक सेल डिवीजन, सो दैट से तर साइज टा इंक्रीज करूचे. ओके, so this is called as vegetative growth of the individual, or this is also called as somatic cell division. Okay, and for the first time anyway in the next class we will discuss about this other part of your mitosis.